Wow, look at this. Wow. Very nice. Guys, please try this recipe. Hi guys, welcome everyone to Taste the World with Chef Fasa YouTube channel. Today we are going to do unmold cream caramel recipe. This is trending and viral in Dubai right now. Let's go to the recipe. It is easy guys, you can do it at your home. Let's go. These are the ingredients. This is custard sugar 40 gram and water 9 milliliter. This is for caramel guys. Okay, I will keep separate. And these are the ingredients for the pudding mixture. This is egg yolk, 30 ml egg yolk, and this is 1.5 full egg and 250 fresh milk. You can use long life milk, full fat. This is cooking cream, you can call heavy cream and whipped cream. This is 100 ml. This is vanilla essence, only 5 milliliter. You can use, if you have any vanilla pods, you can use extra, no worries. And this is sugar 45 gram. So guys, this is the all mixture for the custard, for the cream caramel. Okay guys, let's go. I will show you how to do this step by step. Okay guys, this is the first step. We need to make the caramel. Let's come here. I will show you how to make the caramel. So I'm gonna start. Guys, you can see almost getting caramel color now, nice golden color. So be careful at this stage, so it can be fast burn, so you need to keep on your eye. So I think enough, you can see the nice golden color. So if you keep long time, it can burn. So quickly you're gonna put in the cup. So I'm gonna use a small cup, the glass. Milk, this vanilla pod, and this is cream, heavy cream, and vanilla essence, and the sugar. So I'm gonna warm, guys, don't forget, don't boil, just only warm the milk and cream. So just little bit warm until melt the sugar. Guys, don't forget you don't cook the cream and milk.
How are you, bakery?
Okay guys, just I'm gonna take out the cream and milk. So I already take out from the heat, so it's not cooked, it's just lightly warm. So now I'm gonna mix with the egg. So I'm gonna put egg, whole egg, and this is egg yolk. Okay guys, now I'm gonna mix with the egg and cream mixture. Okay guys, now we're gonna strain the mixture. Make sure you need to strain your mixer nicely. So when you strain, you will get very nice, smooth. Okay guys, now we are going to pour in the glass. So guys, please cover the top with the aluminium foil, or you can use cling film, but at the moment I'm gonna use aluminium foil, so you need to cover like that. Because now we are going to do the steam, so make sure you cover the glass nicely, so steam will not go inside. So you guys, before bake the cream caramel, so you need to put warm water. Better you put hot water, so you will have good consistency in the baking. Okay. So guys, before bake the cream caramel, so I'm going to set the oven. I'm going to use 16 minutes. Let's set the oven. So I'm going to use 16 minutes, and temperature I'm going to use 110 because this oven is very strong, but at your home you can use 150 guys. So you can use 150 minutes, but this oven is strong, so I'm gonna use 110 and 60 minutes. So don't misunderstand. guys, see you after 1 hour. Actually, when you cook long time and low heat, your cream caramel gonna be very smooth and creamy. Okay guys, let's go. Already finished 1 hour now. Let's see how is the cream caramel. Wow. Let me show you guys inside. I'm gonna remove one. Wow. See, you can recognize it's not shaking, so only very lightly. It's like a gel. So now keep cooling down. After that, you can keep in chiller. I recommend to you keep chiller like 4 hours. So when it's 4 hours, it's nicely cooling and you will get nicely creamy cream caramel, guys. So let me keep in chiller. After that, I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay guys, thank you, keep watching. So just wait. I'm gonna put now 4 hours in chiller refrigerator. Okay guys, now I transfer to another container. You can see. So without water, I'm gonna keep chiller for cooling down. It will be set after 4 hours nicely, guys. So keep 4 hours. Let's see. Cream caramel is ready, already cooling down. Let's do the unmolding. Let's go. Our cream caramel, wow, it's nice, soft and jiggly. So I'm gonna do now a very simple garnish. Let's go with the strawberry. Wow. I have a nice beautiful strawberry, guys, so I'm gonna do very simple garnish. Okay, wow, look at this, like strawberry. One. Okay, so it's very simple. These guys, wow, sexy and jiggly. Let's go guys for next testing. The creamy structure, wow, look at this, wow. Very nice. Let's try the recipe. Don't forget to give your feedback and comment. Try. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. You will get more video trending viral in Dubai, in the world. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy and have your cream caramel.